2012 GMC Sierra 6.0 liter Denali. What is it, Timmy? Denali, baby. Can't get any better than a Denali. Anyways, there's the stock converters. There and there. Then it was into a single. Then it's got that beautiful third cat that everybody hates, but I like it. It looks fancy. It's got a flex pipe on it, then 3.5-inch pipe. So we put them a CARVEN exhaust. Part number TR performance muffler, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Part number CVE TR30. There'll be a link in the description for it if you want to purchase it. CARVEN. And then we left the resonator on. He'll probably come back and take it off and put a 5-inch tip. But he said, I'm going to try it like that because I want it to be more of a grandpa sleeper. And he's going to build it. He's going to put a cam on it and all that, he said. There's a muffler we cut off right there. And we left everything else the same. Bone stock. 2021 Chevy Silverado, 6.2 liter Z71. How many miles are on it? 2,800 miles still. Barely anything. There's the factory converters. Then this one doesn't come with the third converter. So the new 21s, most of them don't come with a third converter finally. Then what we put on it is a vibrant stainless steel resonator or large diameter bottle style muffler. It's 3.5 inlet and outlet, 5 inches round, 14 inches long. We'll have a link in the description for you guys. Part number somewhere here, I don't know. I think it's that one right there. Anyways, so but to put it, you have to cut, like put an extra maybe 2 foot of pipe, 3-inch onto it to make it fit, because that muffler that comes on it is gigantic. Anyways, then it wires out the back. Then it's got 2 more resonators here and here. He didn't want it too loud. As you guys can see, it's a really nice truck, really pretty color. And that's it. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, please like, comment, and subscribe. 2018 Chevy Silverado Z71. One of my favorite motors is in it. The 6.2 liter V8. Beast of a truck. Anyways, what we got done on it for you guys is got stock converters there and there. Then a factory third converter right there. Then 3.5-inch pipe. Then what we got done on it for you guys is white pipe duals. Straight pipe duals. There and there. Mandrel bent tailpipes. Into 4-inch angle cut tips. There and there. Black. He didn't want it too big, too loud. He wanted it loud but not big. So we'll see how he likes this one and we'll go from there. This is the muffler, resonator, and tailpipe we cut off right there. And like always, guys, please comment, like, and subscribe. And it is the LTZ, so it's the fully loaded trucks. That stupid rev limiter. There you go. Again. That sounds a lot better. Just nice deep tone. Your sound decibels. Again. Right at 102. Go ahead and back it up. That sounds phenomenal. GMC Sierra Denali. Let you guys hear on the inside. Uses it for business. So. There's sound decibels. I hate those rev limiters, man. They don't let you rev it at all. Yeah. Go ahead and back it up. Are you serious? Wow. Yeah, you do a lot of driving. I got that Ram. It's still got like barely 2,600 miles on it. And I've had it since December. I like it, it's decent. Much better. Again? 110. I see the 113. Oh, 113 again? Knock it on. Yeah, 117. Yeah. Woo. Dirty, dirty. Again? That sounds really good. Let you guys hear on this. Vibrant bottle style muffler. Still has the resonators on it. That sounds good. I like it. Just gives that enough just clean sound. We don't do shipping, bro. If you go on the videos, there's links to all the tips and everything we do.